What up? So yesterday I got the ignition coil in and I replaced that, and I wasn't getting spark at first, and I traced it back to the kill switch over here, and I disengaged the kill switch, and from there I was here's the, let's see, here it is. I disengaged the kill switch, and right here I put the copper wire to connect it, and it canceled out the kill switch. And once I did that, I received spark in the coil pack. So now I'm getting spark, and I cleaned out all the jets and the carb, and I got new fuel lines and fresh fuel. But now I can't get the bike to start over. If you guys have any idea, any help would be much appreciated. I'll kick it over here a couple times for you guys just to see what's happening, but as of right now I'm not getting any fire. Let me set my iPad over here. That should do it. So yeah, it's just not wanting to fire over. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna keep on working on it. Probably pull the carb back apart, and I don't know, we'll go from there. Other than that, peace out, and we'll keep you updated later.